you want to win the game, you have to get on the field first. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, why attorneys need to be investing in marketing and business development content if they want to build their books of business. We've heard throughout our childhoods that you have to get on the field before you can win the game. You have to actually play before you can win. And that's probably most often heard literally when it comes to a sport, but if we're talking about education, we're talking about our hobbies, we're talking about socializing and making friends, you have to get off the bench, off the sidelines, you have to actually play the game if you want to try and win the game. And this is true when it comes to lawyers building their books of business. Obviously, we are well past the days where lawyers think they can just sit back and relax and the business will come to them. Lawyers and law firms have to be more proactive in their book of business building efforts. Well, guess what? When it comes to marketing and business development content and the creation and publication of that content, this is definitely true as well. There's a research study out by Gartner, famous research consulting company, and they had said that when it comes to the business-to-business buyer journey, that 83% of a typical business-to-business purchasing decision, 83% of that decision happens before a buyer engages directly with a provider. 83% of that purchasing decision happens before a buyer engages directly with a provider. So what's that mean for lawyers? That means there's a good chance that both potential clients and referral sources are 83% of the way there in terms of making a decision about whether to retain you or reach out to you before they even speak to you. And they're also probably 83% of the way there when it comes to your competitors and deciding if your competitors are the right fit for them. So what are potential clients and referral sources considering when they are making this decision before they even speak to you? Well, they're probably getting some word of mouth feedback. They might be looking at online reviews. They might be looking at chambers and other kinds of awards, rankings and ratings. But there's a good chance the majority of what they're going to be relying on is content that you've already published in the form of blog posts, bylined articles, client alerts, videos, white papers, etc. They are most likely searching the web looking for information about a particular topic and or information about you once they've been told they should consider you by perhaps someone referring you to them. So that is why content is so important, because it is a chance for lawyers through blog posts, client alerts, bylined articles to talk about legal issues that they handle, to note and discuss the ramifications of legal developments, whether those are cases or proposed legislation or administrative agency actions, to be able to show would-be clients and referral sources before there's even a conversation that you, the lawyer, are qualified to handle their business and legal issue because you have previously written content about it that shows that you are knowledgeable about it and you've got insights and wisdom you can share to help those clients succeed. Because 83% of the purchasing decision is made before a conversation happens, you have to figure that the majority of that would-be client's mind or would-be referral source's mind is made up already. The conversation with you that happens in real time is meant to basically confirm their gut instincts about you based on your content. That's why it is so vital that lawyers publish regularly marketing and business development content, again, like blog posts, client alerts, articles, videos, white papers, podcasts, whatever. They need to be out there in the marketplace. They need to be playing the game if they want to win the game. They need to be out there producing content that shows they're knowledgeable and insightful about the kinds of legal issues clients come to them about. If you're not publishing that content, you're not going to be playing the game and you're not going to be able to be found by would-be clients and referral sources. You'll be forced to rely on the people you know and who know you, and you are not going to be found by people who don't already know you. If you're interested in learning more about how to create marketing and business development content that can help leave a favorable impression on clients and help them come to the conclusion before they even speak to you that you're the right choice for them, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos and blog posts that can help you do just that.